Welcome back, gang. Another episode on the Alex Berry channel. Today, dual pump. So, someone's kindly brought my turbo, my ECU, my injectors, all that jazz. They're going to do a plus T on their car. So I need to get the fuel pump out, and I've never done one on an S14, S15 before. Apparently it's a bit of a pain in the ass, so we are going to... Oh, people are talking to me. Oh, yo. Get in there, and I'm going to show you where it is, and we're going to try and struggle to get it out, so stay tuned. So here we are, we've made it inside the old S15, and I've got my light on the cover for the fuel tank. It's right here. You can see where old mate, previous owner, ran the cables for the subwoofer, which it no longer has because I'm not a fan, but left the cables in there just in case I ever want to put one back in. Anyway, back to the point. 10 mils right here, first thing I can see. So get these bad boys off, try to make myself comfortable. Oh, chuck them up there. There's 4 of these. Try to do this as fast as possible. If you're wondering where my Makita ratchet went, yeah, I ratcheted it too much and now it doesn't work, so don't do that, fam. No good. Another one. Chuck him up there. Last one. And under here will be like some sort of twisty plastic lid that you shouldn't use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer on, but I am almost probably going to do that because I don't have the correct tool. Don't listen to what I do though, guys. And here we have it. Fuel pump lid. 2 plugs. 1, 2. Get over there, you fucking pain in the ass. So, here is our fuel. We are gonna be smart about this, and we're gonna get our cell phones out, and we're gonna take a photo of exactly how this is, so when we put it back together, we know how it goes. Oh, look at that, orange, orange, white, white, and then this one is obviously different to the rest of them, which makes it handy. So we're going to remember that. Photo done. Just so you lads and laddies know how this works watching. These are like a push on. Try to put my hand out of the way, so like a push on fitting. So like, oh, there goes all my fuel. You push. It's not going to do it now, but anyway, this slides over here, clips in, and that's how it holds secure. So when you undo it, you just pinch like that, pinch, and then you push them off, and you push old mate here off like that, and you get them out of the way, and then you get this old mate off. Trying to do this one-handed is a bit difficult. Get old mate. Oh, like that. So then we're left with these like that. These are kind of fucking annoying actually. Anyway, and then now we're gonna fucking turn him somehow that way, because that's loose, and yeah, pull all this shit that's in there. So I did exactly what I told you guys not to do. There's my hammer, there's my screwdriver, and I fucking hammered them loose, and now as you can see, when I try really hard, now it's not going to fucking do it, is it? Hold on guys, let me loosen this. Now we can see that old mate is loose. Get out of here, you fucking... Come on. Get rough with it. It's loose. Finally. This position is real awkward, by the way, as well. Fuck, I don't want to lose any of this shit. There's our lid thing. Let me have a look at this so I can tell you what I'm looking at, because I don't really know. Here we are, lads. Some magic sorcery. Stuck my hand in the fucking fuel tank. You're gonna get heaps of fuel on you. You can see right there. It sits. Drop the fucking camera in there. I don't know if you guys could see fucking shit then, but anyway, here's our pump. Right there. So, take old mate out, put the new one in, put it all back together. For whatever reason my fucking fuel float doesn't work, so I was going to try and get that out and have a look, but it seems like a fucking mission, so then I can feel it, but I can't get him, so I might piss around for like 10 minutes and see if I can get him out and have a look at him. Otherwise, fuck it, who needs a fuel gauge anyway? Sort him later. So, couldn't get the old fuel float out. I'll tackle it another day. I don't really care. I kind of know how much fuel I get to a tank anyway, so it doesn't matter. Got the walbro here. Do a bit of comparison for you. So, walbro, they call them 500 horsepower. What is it? 225 litre per hour fuel pump fucking thingy. Here's our factory one. Fucking S15 is mint, made life so easy. Normally you have to wire the plug in. This S15 plug plugs straight into here. So all we have to do is use this spacer here and put him where he goes. So obviously take the line off here, pull him out, put old mate in, slide him in there, drop it back in the tank, and Bob's your auntie. Put all this shit back on. Good to go. There she is, lads. All on, so gonna pop this Johnny back down in the tank. Try hook him into the fucking slidey or bobby thingy wherever he goes somehow. And then put everything back on the top. And then that's us, we're done. So I'll piss around trying to do that now. And we'll call it a night. So I got him back down in there now, lads. Let's hope we got him right. So yeah, put our fucking screw top back on, then connect all our lines up, put our cover back on, and then ready for some more fuel, for some more boost. So that'll be sick. Just chuck this thingy back on now, and then I'll show you clipping the lines on, hopefully. So we lined up all our colours and stuff again, because we took a photo at the start because we were smart, and then pushed it all out. Go on mate, get on there, there we go. So our lines back on, push these in, like that, and like, bastard, why did I do that to myself? Why did I do that to myself? Push that one back on like that. There we have it, boys. Push this clip back in like so, like this, and then put our fucking cover on. Oh whoops, forgetting something important, aren't we? Plugs. Plug these Johns in, young John. Get our stupid sub-wiring out of the way. Come on, nearly there. And then these 4 bolts. Come on. Right, there you are. And then this one. Oh yeah, baby. One more. Oh, where's my ratchet? No, we're not here to fuck around, boys. We're getting shit done. Oh, it'd be so much easier if I didn't ratchet my electric ratchet and could do these with that. Pull this off. And one more. Ooh, that's us, mate. That's another thing ticked off the list, lads. Fuel pump in. So, what are we doing next? Well, I'm going away this weekend, so fuck what's going to happen this weekend. But next weekend, now that I've made some videos, giving myself a bit of a break, I can relax this weekend. But videos after this, head gasket. I'm gonna do it. I want to run boost. Don't know how much yet. The tuner can obviously, when he's doing his tuning, he'll know. You know, if the car's starting to knock or detonate, we'll turn it back a bit. But I'm hoping somewhere between 16 and 18 psi, and hopefully that'll get us 300 to 350 wheel horsepower. If we're talking American horsepower, probably 400, because you guys always seem to have real high numbers. Sorry about that, but yeah, you do. And then if we're talking kilowatt, that's like 220 to 240 kilowatt, I think. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but around there somewhere is the numbers that I'm hoping for with this setup. So anyway, next video, clear the front shit out, this one here, and then intake needs to come off so we can get the head off and put the injectors on the rail and yada yada yada. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.